So friends, let's see today's healthy recipe of Goan Methiya Pez. So I have soaked half a cup of rice in 1 cup of water for an hour after washing the rice well, and 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in half a cup of water for 1 hour. So now you have seen that the fenugreek seeds also have swelled up and doubled in size. Now add the rice and the methi seeds to a pot and add about 2 cups of water in addition, because this is a Pez or a kanji, and cook this mixture till the rice is well cooked. So this took me about 10 to 12 minutes for the rice to really get nice and cooked. Once the rice is cooked, add half a cup of coconut milk, thick coconut milk. So watch the video till the end because I've shown you how to make thick and thin coconut milk. Now we're going to add half a cup of grated jaggery or jaggery or gur, and just mix everything very well till the jaggery or the jaggery gets nicely melted and incorporated with the rice and the coconut milk. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder or elaichi powder. Again, mix everything really nicely together. This is a very healthy recipe. It's like a porridge, a Goan porridge. Now we're just going to add a handful of cashew nuts just to make this dish even more delicious than it already is, and let the mixture come to a gentle boil. Once it starts to boil, you can turn off the heat, and this porridge has to be had really nice and steaming hot. You can have it for breakfast early in the morning. It's a great way to start your day. So I hope you try out this recipe, guys.